Here is the long-awaited video of our 1994 Unbranded air conditioner running. So it's spinning. There's one of them right there. Just for my brother. Go ahead. It's blowing ice cubes. Here's the main return. You see that's also blowing ice cubes too. Set to 77 and it's 83 inside.
It's been a long, long time coming.
So now I'm going to show you the outside fan. Outside. It's pretty loud. There it is. I'm just going to close the door so that uncold fan will go outside. Yeah, the fan's very noisy. Yeah, and it's vibrating too. That's an A.O. Smith fan, and it's running on a very hot day. Vibrating. The suction line is cold and sweaty. The liquid line's outdoor temperature. It is manufactured April of 1994, and it's a 2.5 ton. My neighbor's Harry is also running. Yeah, Midwest disconnects. Yeah, pretty solid unit. Yep, vibrating. Yeah, the fan's very noisy, and you can barely hear the compressor. Yeah, when they're both running, they make an extremely loud noise. So that's that. I'm going to show you the furnace. I already showed the outside fan. Our room number is 1122. God dang it. Someone just locked me out. Okay, I'll be back. Okay, I'll be back. I'm gonna get a video of the furnace. Okay, so I'm finally back inside, and here's the furnace. I have a flashlight attached. Here's the furnace from 1983. Yeah, and that's that. Yeah, main returns right there. I don't see the burners. Yeah, I think the burners are really bad. Set to 77. Yeah, just like I said in the previous video. I'm just gonna upload 2 videos on YouTube since I got locked out. Because I didn't tell my brother. That's really good. Oh, nice cubes. Okay. Bye. Okay, so thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. And this was like part 2 of the 1994 Unbranded air conditioner. Okay. Let's see you. Check you guys out later.